is one of the brightest in the solar system, and scientists have a clear image of it. Europa's surface is smooth but has cracks in it. It's slightly smaller than Earth's moon. There are several parts to Europa. It has a core, an ice crust, a subsurface ocean, a rocky interior, and possibly a volcanic seafloor. The outside surface appears to have global fracture patterns. These are patterns you might see on the surface of Europa. Global fracture patterns are like plate tectonics, which are pieces of Earth or another planet's surface that will collide into each other, and it causes an earthquake. So you can only see it if there is an earthquake. Europa has an atmosphere made of oxygen and generally a similar surface to Earth's North Pole. The core is metallic and the crust is made of ice. The temperature of Europa is minus 160 degrees Celsius. Europa's weather is very cold. The diameter of Europa is 3,100 kilometers. These are pictures that NASA took of the outside of Europa. In December 2013, Hubble found evidence of water vapor erupting on the south pole of Europa. The Hubble discovery makes Europa only the second moon in the solar system known to have water vapor plumes. We need to explore Europa because scientists have found evidence of water on it, and one day it could be a source of water and other resources for science explorers to refuel. This leads me to my mission. We need to go to Europa because it's closer to Earth than Saturn and Titan. My mission goals are to take a sample of Europa's surface, and my purpose is to determine whether it has water, life forms, and other resources, such as rocks, minerals, and oil and gas on it. This mission is going to be unmanned. Once Hubble gets to Europa, it will launch a rover. There will be some things we will need to worry about, such as how all the computers will work in minus 160 degrees Celsius. Once I take a sample of Europa's surface, I won't need to bring it back to Earth. I will have a computer that sends back all the information that it has on it and give it to my computer on Earth. There is a strong magnetic field on Jupiter, and it takes a long time to get to Europa. I would make all of Hubble out of solar panels to provide energy to my spacecraft. Any one of these could individually stop the mission, so we would need to research this further. Humans are the stakeholders because we can take water and other resources from Europa. We can find life forms there and maybe one day we could even live there. My goal is to take a sample of Europa's surface and to determine water to confirm if water, life forms, and other resources such as rocks and minerals and oil and gas are found on it. I estimate it will take me 20 years to make my mission happen. It would take me 5 years to make a rover that survives the cold, 5 years to make a Hubble satellite, 1 year for the research, and it will take about 6.5 years to get there. There's water somewhere on Europa, the atmosphere has oxygen, and there possibly could be life on Europa. I believe that just as Galileo discovered that the sun is the center of the solar system, Europa will be the source of water and other resources for human beings. I'm going to Europa. Who's with me?
Great.